Remove blackheads with clay masks. In the video I mentioned I would make a video tutorial showing you how to use a clay mask to remove blackheads and get super smooth skin. You can use any clay mask you wish, just make sure to watch today's video below because it's all about the technique, deep cleansing with clay. Clay is an awesome material to cleanse and purify your skin. I like clay in particular for balancing oily and combination skin and giving your skin a deep cleanse. Clay is also great for eliminating blackheads and congested pores. If you're wondering which clay to use, you can buy a powdered clay from a health food store or online, or use a face mask that contains clay as its base. There's many different types of clays. All of them are good at deeply cleansing your skin and drawing out the buildup of dead skin cells and sebum clogging your pore. Below I've listed popular clays and what skin types they're best used for. Remove blackheads with clay masks. This technique of removing blackheads with a clay mask involves adding a few extra steps to your typical face masking routine. To get the best results, do pay attention to each step I outline. It only requires a few extra minutes in your clay masking routine, but you'll get even better results along with the written instructions below. Make sure to watch the video demo too. What you'll need: clay or a clay mask. You can use a clay face mask, or you can buy powdered clay from a health food store or online and activate it with a few drops of water. Soft washcloth. My favorite washcloths for removing face masks are baby washcloths. Directions: 1. Remove your makeup and wash your face. Pat off any excess water. 2. Apply your clay mask on your face and neck. 3. Leave the clay mask on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. After you've left the mask on your face for a good 15 to 20 minutes and the clay mask has completely dried, put your fingers under warm running water to dampen them. 5. Starting at the center of your face, using your dampened fingers, gently massage your skin in small circular motions. You want to loosen the clay mask with your fingers and massage your skin with the moistened clay. This will gently exfoliate your skin. 6. To ensure you've dampened the clay sufficiently, you'll probably need to keep putting your fingers under running warm water as you massage your skin. 7. You always want to be gentle when massaging and exfoliating your skin, so make sure you aren't pulling, tugging, or massaging your skin too roughly. Unlike a facial scrub, the clay should not feel rough or coarse. It should feel like a powdery paste that you lightly massaged around your skin. 8. Continue gently massaging your entire face and neck for a good 3 to 5 minutes. 9. Once you're finished, take a very soft washcloth and dampen it with warm water. 10. Using the damp washcloth, remove the mask from your face and neck. You'll probably need to rinse the washcloth a couple of times as you remove the mask. 11. Once the mask is completely removed from your skin, finish with your favorite serum, moisturizer, facial oil, or nothing at all. For best results, do this mask once or twice a week, and over time the blackheads will reduce or completely disappear. If you have dry or sensitive skin, you might want to do this mask less frequently, like once every 2 to 4 weeks. If clay masks dry out your skin, you can always add a small dollop of smooth honey or a drop of oil to the mask to add extra moisture and hydration. Or, you can just apply the mask to areas where you have blackheads. Never do this mask on the same day you use a facial scrub or exfoliating acid. Only do this mask at night. Make sure to use an all-natural clay mask. Avoid using clay masks that contain added alcohol, synthetic fragrance, mineral oil, witch hazel, sodium lauryl sulfate, artificial colors, etc. Don't do this clay mask technique if you currently have active pimples or acne or irritated skin.